Ordered equals true not respected. Python plus marshmallow plus Flask. It's me again. Now with the marshmallow question, I have the following structure. root.py. Then this is my schema's file schema.py. It's supposed that in the response I should get a sorted response like. But instead of that I am receiving. Looks like property ordered equals true on childtumor class is not working. I have been looking for that in some posts, and looks like the issue happens when you mix nested fields and the ordered property. This is my stack.
I see that you can try two different strategies. Add this config line to your code after the app definition. That suppress the Flask dictionary keys sorting and forces to respect the defined order. Also, you can try adding at parent schema class the same meta for sorting keys. Since child schema is contained on parent schema, we need to specify to parent schema to respect keys order too. Something like, I hope you find this useful. Regards.